Hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to remove and refit an air filter in a VW Golf MK7 7.5 GTE. Now I wasn't going to make a video on this because I thought it was going to be relatively straightforward. However, it was a little trickier than I anticipated. So I'll start the video with the airbox apart and I show you the refitting process and then recap what I did to remove it. So if you're looking to undertake a similar kind of job, I hope that this will give you a few hints and tips just to make your life a little easier. So once you've got everything apart, this is the inside of the air filter and this is the paper element that you would normally replace. As you can see, this one actually doesn't look too bad. The replacement item I have gone for is a K&N filter, just purely because I really like the filters and I've used them on several cars before. In fact, the 308 actually has one in it as well. So that literally just sits in there. And then this clips back together. Now, we've got the 4 clips in here, which hold it in place. The underside has got 2 Phillips screws in it. Now the engine cover itself, you've kind of got these plastic balls that stick out the top here, and they've got to sit in the recesses, the rubberized recesses here and here. Then we've got the clamps on the hose here. So you need to squeeze that together, move it back in place and let that go. Got to refit this small rubber on the back. And then we've got this section here, whereas again there's a clip here and a clip here. And again, squeeze it to loosen it. Bring it back into place, and the same with this one back here. And lastly, push down on those 3 areas until you hear it click home. Now the K&N has a lifetime guarantee, so if you're fitting something similar, it obviously shouldn't be replaced when you come to normal service time. So clean up the airbox, put on the sticker, and then the garage knows not to discard what's in there. So, quick recap for removal. I loosened this clip at the back here, this clip at the back there, and removed that section of pipe. I loosened this clip here to take it off of here, and you've got to take this pipe off here. The whole thing then pops out. Then there are 2 screws underneath, which you then need to undo before you start looking at the 4 clips around the outside. And the refitting is, as I showed before, just a reversal of the removal. So thanks very much for watching. I hope you found that useful. A few little hints and tips if you're looking to take the job on yourself.